guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Yancy and I'm on a journey to become debt free. Happy Wednesday. It's freaking Wednesday, you guys. I have $30 today, and today finally, for the longest, I am adding a 5 and another 5 to play with today, you guys. So if you're new here, my goal is to become debt free by August. I'm so excited. So if you want to follow my journey, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, give me a thumbs up. That helps out my channel. Please watch my ads. It also helps me out. I'm getting paid with those ads, you guys. I'm excited to get paid this month for last month. Also, guys, another update. I will not have my binders the end of this month. I am extremely upset, and tariff prices has been wow. I don't think I will ever again order any binders unless tariffs gets taken off. Honestly, it sucks. I'm already in this. Oh well, it is what it is. My manufacturer basically delayed my thing, so I messed everything up. It's just been a hot mess, a express, okay? So there's that. Oh my goodness. But you know, it is what it is. I am so sorry, guys. Literally everything is out of my hand. Nothing that I can do with that. But hopefully next month I have my items here, because with my manufacturer they delayed it, and then with tariff prices, oh my goodness, like wow, that's just bananas. But anyway, so this is for mini Mondays here. So basically freaking Wednesday, if you're new here, I put all the challenges from mini Mondays, which are 6, and all the challenges from freebie Fridays, which are also 6. They go in here in this little play area, and they try to fight to see who gets the most love, and that's just how it works. So yeah, so I think it's just a fun way for me to play and not get bored on trying to save money for categories or paying off my debt, which I think is also very fun to play with. And then this one right here is for freebie Friday. So excited here for this. So yeah, so let's see how today goes, guys. I'm so excited. I don't know if you noticed, but I did not post a video yesterday. Finally, woohoo! After like 2 months or so posting every single day. Yesterday was the first time I did not post. I don't know if you noticed. Let me know if you did notice that. I was just so busy yesterday. You know, Cinco de Mayo, I worked. Usually that's my day off on Monday. And so we actually had, guys, by the way, this challenge here, it was supposed to be whatever amount I wanted, but I did question mark. I just rolled, and this one's going to be a big amount. So it is what it is. You do what you want to do with your goodies. All right. So yeah. So yesterday, we took Tuesday off instead of Monday. So what in the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What in the heck? Okay, wait, hold up. I'm tripping. And so we did errands. I finally got my windshield replaced. I did not have to put any money towards that. I didn't pay anything. My insurance covered that. And finally, yesterday we went and got it done. We had an appointment. We were just doing so much stuff yesterday, and it just did not give me time to record. So that's why I didn't post cash stuffing Tuesday. So I don't know if you noticed. If you did, let me know. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. And also, the giveaway winners. Oh, my gosh, babes. I'm so sorry. I still have not shipped your goodies. I'm hoping after I'm done recording this video, I get it going and drop them off today, you guys. It's been a long day. Oh, my goodness. Like, long week for sure. All right, so like I said, we have, how much did I say? $30 to play with today. Let's see how it goes. Let's take a thumbnail picture. Yes, cheese. Here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here we go, guys. Wish us luck. We're starting off with number 4. Awesome. Number 6. Okay. Number 6 again. Oh my goodness. Number 6 here got the first 5. Woo! Again, number 6. You're kidding. What is going on? Number 5. Okay. Number 5. Not bad. Number 3. Okay, we're switching stuff up. Okay, great. Good job. Number 5. I thought it was going to get a 6. I was going to say no. Oh, again, this one got number 5. The last 5. Again, 5. Awesome. We may complete something if we keep going this route. Number 5, you're kidding. You saw that? It went to 1 and then flipped to 5. Number 6. Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Number 5. Oh my gosh. Y'all saw that? What happened? What happened? I have no idea what happened there. What happened today? Okay, that was weird. Okay, y'all saw that? That was weird, guys. Okay, this one didn't get anything. No vacation on this one. My eyeglasses didn't get anything either. Oh my gosh. Okay, so those are going here because those are Fridays. This sure did get something. This one definitely got something. This one got $1. What happened today? And this one got $1. Oh my goodness, like for real. This one didn't get anything today. Oh my gosh. And this was for Mini Mondays. And this one didn't get anything today as well. What is going on? What happened today? That was odd. This is why I don't like doing $5. Because it's so quick and I don't know. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so this one got $1, you guys. And I don't know if there's $1 in here. I hope there is. Yes, there actually is $1 one. Okay, great. So we're going to add $1 into that. So, hey, that's good. And I don't think I have anything in the back. No. So nothing in the back. So we will see what we use this for. So there is that. So, hey, $1 is $1, guys. Any amount adds up. Y'all know that. I always say that. I will never get bored of that. You'll hear my voice, by the way. I'm still sick. Not sick. It's just my throat. All right, this one got $1. And it has $1 left over. And we still can't do anything because each Lucky Charm, it's for $3. So we need $1 more to do one little charm. So, hey, it is what it is. All right, maybe on the next one. Okay, so there is that. And this one, I feel like this one got the most, you guys. So it has $1 left over from last time. And today it got, ooh, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in total, there is $10. And we need 2, 4, 6, you guys. And we are done with this one. Yay. 2, 4, and 6. Woohoo! We are done with this one. Yay. And this one is for $46. So let's go ahead and count that. I hope I have that. I'm sure I do. Look at all those ones. All right, here we go, guys. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Woo! 46, 47, 48. Girl, I got extra money in there. Okay. But either way, we got 46 in there, and this goes towards my debt. Yes, ma'am. Woohoo! Awesome. All right, guys, we got some money here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got $6. I don't know how I had extra $1 in there, but I sure did. So, hey, it is what it is, right? All right. So I'm going to go ahead and do this one. I got this for free from A Little of It All, Taylor. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. And I think, is this a 7 or a 1? I think this is a 1, but I could be wrong. We're going to do it like this. We're not going to add 1 because the highest here, it's a 9, and that's okay. Hey, sometimes you got to do what you got to do. I got it for free, so hey, I cannot complain. And yeah, so y'all can get this from Taylor, A Little Bit of It All. She's so sweet and kind, guys. All right, next. Awesome. This one, it has 1, 2. Oh, I got a 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8 here, and there's some dollar left over. This is a super, super high saving challenge that I got from an order from Saving with Grace. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And we actually gonna do that 12, you guys. Oh my gosh, we're gonna have $1 left over, and we're finally going to do that 12. OMG. And this is for Christmas. So this is a very high number, but that's okay. Does not matter. We got this, guys. We got this. It might take a long time, but we got this. All right, so there is that. Awesome sauce. Hope you guys are doing great, guys. I cannot believe we're almost done. We're halfway through the week. Like, that's bananas. All right, guys, we got $1 on this one, and I'm actually gonna save it because I'm trying to do the highest numbers first. So we're not gonna do anything with this. So we're gonna save it because that's my goal now, to do from highest to lowest so we can finish faster, or I don't feel like a huge choke, you know. This one got $1, and we scratched off a 12, and I also got this as a freebie. Taylor, a little bit of it. Oh, send me those. That's a little thank you for getting monetized, which was so sweet of her. And yeah, so y'all check her out. She has so many cute stuff, you guys. So many cute stuff. Okay, that one didn't get anything. And this one here, it has $1 left over, and this is from Amanda. Budget with Amanda. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6 now. Yay! So now we can do 3 of the number 2. So 2, 4, and 6. We're getting close for that. And this is going towards vacation. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. All right, so there's that. And we got one more left. I believe there's one more left. I think it's this one. Yes. All right, this is for vacation 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We got 4. We can do the 4, but I'm actually going to save it for 6 because that's the highest. So we're going to save it. There you have it, guys. That was Freaky Wednesday for you. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. I know that I have a lot of new people in here. My personality is not for everybody, and I understand that. Trust me, I have gotten all the time that I'm a hot mess of express. I'm this, I'm that. Cool, you know, sometimes how do I explain that? Sometimes, as nice or sweet you may be, you're just not that cup of tea for everybody. And that is okay. You're not going to be everyone's cup of tea. And that is okay, you guys. Sometimes you can't please everybody. And that is okay. We all have our own little personality. And we all have our own people that they like us. And it is what it is, you know. It is nice to be different. It is nice to be you, right? When you're you, you're happy. That's you. I don't know how to tell you. But anyways, I hope you enjoy that, and I see you guys tomorrow for Cash Stuffing Thursday, finally. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. I see you guys on the next one. I appreciate your love, your support. Your time is precious, and thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday, and I see you back again tomorrow. Bye, guys. Love ya.